Greetings, beautiful people. Today we're making something very, very unique and interesting that you may not have had before, unless you've been to Turkey or the Middle East. The Arab word for it is Sahlab, but it's originally, most likely, Turkish, as always. So this has got like a kind of Arabian Nights type of flavor. I don't know how else to explain. It's just really, really good. So we're gonna start off with 3 cups of milk. I'm using coconut milk, or any plant-based milk will do. 3 tablespoons of plain white sugar, 2 tablespoons of corn flour or corn starch, couple of drops of rose water. Be very careful with this, it can get very overbearing depending on the brand. For decorations and toppings, cinnamon, desiccated coconut, and some walnuts. You can also use pistachios. Righty, let's go. So we're gonna start off by adding our plant-based milk. Make sure you leave yourself enough here, because what we're gonna do now is mix in the cornstarch. Make sure this is very well mixed, because you don't want these little tapioca pudding type pearls in there. All right, back to here. Along with our sugar and our drops of rose water. I'm going to use a whisk for this. As always, this is not healthy, but tastes good. That's what counts. Hey, you got to die of something, hey? Why not let it be the yum yum? The hotter it gets, the more it's got to thicken up. Once it becomes like a gluey kind of texture, that's basically it. Then we're going to plate it up, sprinkle on our toppings, and that's about it. All right, well, now I'm satisfied. I'm going to go back to the spoon because it's not really a cappuccino that you're looking to make. All right, literally a few minutes. See, it's all gloopy like that. It's just about done. Turn it off. Just going to give it a minute to cool down, just a little bit, but keep stirring. Because I've got a really nice cup I want to use for it, and I don't want it to smash with the heat because it's quite thin. And that's it, folks. I'm gonna go in with the cinnamon. This is non-negotiable, folks. This makes it very, very nice. Desiccated coconut. I'll sprinkle the nuts in there. And a final bit of cinnamon for the magic. Sahlab. That's the name of it. And it is very, 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 very nice. Oh, and now you can hear the reason why I can't make videos anymore. Folks, just so you can see, this is what I'm working with. So forgive me for not doing the intros with the greetings, beautiful people. I'm doing what I can. Folks, I hope you enjoyed this episode. I've got to run and take care of this screaming baby right now. Have a good one. See you next time. Ciao for now. Love you all. Don't forget, hit the like button, hit subscribe. Ciao for now. See you on the next one.